The spiraling vegetable prices continue to burden the common man. A considerable increase has been witnessed in the prices of tomatoes and onions all over the country. And as the government continues to downplay the hike, the opposition has now staged protests, taking aim at the centre.
No respite for the common man as spiraling prices continue to pinch their pockets. In fact, prices of kitchen staples rose up to 300% last week, and it continues to rise this week too.
Tomatoes are being sold at 80 rupees a kg in Kolkata market, and it's an increase of about 20 rupees compared to last week. And not only tomatoes but other vegetables have also prices have also gone up in Kolkata market by 10 to 20 rupees, and it's pinching the pockets of common man.
The rising prices of vegetables are showing no signs of slowing down. Last year it was onion that was making people cry. This time it's tomato that's burning hole into their pockets. In Chennai market alone, tomato is being sold at a price of rupees 80 per kg.
The situation is same all over the world as all the cities have been grappling with sharp rise in prices of essential commodities.
Consumers are reeling under ever-increasing vegetable prices in Bangalore, while tomato, a basic commodities price, has gone up at least by 10 rupees as compared to last week. Respite has come in the form of onions and potatoes, whose prices have remained more or less the same. But other vegetables like carrots or cauliflowers literally giving nightmares to consumers.
The opposition taking aim at the centre over the price rise, with Congress leaders staging protests in several parts of the country.
100 रुपए किलो टमाटर राजधानी में बिक रहा है, देश के तमाम हिस्सों में बिक रहा है। 4 रुपए किलो आटे के दाम बढ़ गए, जरूरत की तमाम चीजों के दाम बढ़ गए। कालाबाजारी, सटोरिये, जमाखोर, मिलावट करने वाले खुलेआम घूम रहे हैं, क्योंकि उन्हीं की तो सरकार केंद्र में आ गई है।
But the government insists that the crackdown by the centre will reflect soon.
I want to say that government has made it sure that after a certain time period, you will see the positive and final conclusive results on this price rise.
The Modi government had announced a slew of measures to tackle price rise, especially for vegetables. But just a fortnight later, little has changed on the ground. Bureau Report, Times Now.